The Tyre Sensors Not Detected warning on your 2015 Ford Focus indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system. The error usually means there's a communication breakdown between these sensors and the ECU. Common causes include dead sensor batteries lasting 5 to 10 years, electromagnetic interference disrupting signals, or relearning needed after tire rotations or replacements. Ford released an over-the-air update in early 2025 for select models to allow owners to reset TPMS, but hardware failures are still common. If your tire pressures are correct at around 32 to 35 psi and you're still seeing the error, the troubleshooting steps in the next section will likely fix it. First, attempt a TPMS relearn using the auto-learn procedure. Drive your vehicle at a consistent 25 miles per hour for about 20 minutes in a straight line. This allows the system to automatically recognize and relearn the sensor IDs. If auto-learn doesn't work, use an OBD2 scanner. Many affordable Bluetooth adapters connect to smartphone apps, allowing you to initiate a relearn procedure or view real-time sensor data. Check if sensors are transmitting. If a sensor isn't working, it needs replacement, costing about $50 to $100 per sensor plus labor. After replacement, perform a relearn procedure. If the issue persists, it might be a software glitch that a dealer can fix. As a last resort, visit a trusted mechanic with TPMS diagnostic capabilities before going to a Ford dealership, which can save you money.